Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I will show you how to remove the headlights from a Volkswagen Jetta. Doesn't matter which year it is. It can be the earliest models or it can be the latest models. To begin, all you have to do is to remove the front grille. In order to remove the front grille, you'll have 4 screws at the top, and after that you'll have 2 more screws under the number plate location, right here. After that, you'll have to remove the front bumper because the headlights are mounted by some bolts which are right under the headlight, and you won't have access to the bolts if you don't remove the front bumper. Before removing the front grille, make sure if you have front sensors, make sure you disconnect them because you don't want to break anything. Moving forward, what you have to do next in order to remove the headlights is to remove the bumper. And to remove the bumper, you'll have to go on the sides. You'll have to remove the screws from right here. You'll have 2 screws, and after that you'll have 1 at the top. And it's the same for the other side. And after that you'll have to go under the car, under the front bumper, and remove all the bolts from underneath. After that you'll have to pull from the sides. Just make sure you don't pull very hard because the bumper is connected to the headlight washer and also to the fog lights. And if you have front parking sensors, you'll also have wires for the parking sensor. So just make sure you don't want to pull very hard and you want to let it sit onto the ground. And after that you have to disconnect all the wires if you want to remove it completely from the car. In my case, I want to remove it completely. I will let it sit right here. Everything is connected, everything is good to go. So now we can focus to remove the headlight. And to remove the headlight, you'll have 1 screw right here underneath the bracket, and you'll also have 1 in the left side. After that you'll have this one from right here and this one at the top. And in the last you'll have to remove the wire from behind it. You'll have to remove the connector. You'll have to take a flat screwdriver and push the pin in order to make the connector come out. Just be careful when you're removing the headlight. You don't want to scratch it by the fenders. So this is where the screws are located. You'll have 1 right here. After that you'll have 1 in the left side right next to it, this one. You'll have the right one and you'll have the top one. And after that in the last you'll have the connector from behind it. And this is all you have to do in order to replace your headlight at home. Very easy. It's exactly the same on this side. Everything is similar. Just make sure you don't break anything when you're trying to do this job. Be very careful because the pins are very fragile. You don't want to break anything. And after that you're good to go. To mount back the bumper, you'll have to do the same steps as for the disinstallation, and you're good to go. Thank you all for watching. If you liked this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.